Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Postman on Linux. So first of all, in order to install Postman on Linux, we have to open the browser. So I will open the Firefox for me. You can use whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. And I will type in Postman on Linux because we need to download a file that we will use in our installation. So Postman for Linux and download Postman, the official site, postman.com. Maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is a Postman, because Postman is a popular tool for testing and debugging APIs. So if you have an app and you want to test your API, you want to send, for example, a post, get, put, delete HTTP request, you can use Postman. In Postman it is really useful. As you can see, the site will automatically detect our system operating or our operating system. For me it is Linux, so I have to simply tap on this orange button to download our Postman. As you can see, Postman Linux tar.gz archive is downloading, and it is almost completed. It is completed. So now we can move to the terminal. So I will leave that for now. We are in the home section, so we will move to the download section, and in the download section we have this Postman tar.gz archive that we downloaded before, and now we can extract this. How can we extract this? We can extract it by typing in the tar command. If you don't know how to use tar command, you can watch my video when I described it. So now X that stands for extract, Z stands for this GV ending, because we have to use that, and F stands for file name. And now we have to type in the name of our archive, so Postman, Linux, and so on. You can fill that name without needing to rewrite this manually by typing in tab on your keyboard. So I will press enter. We have to wait a bit, of course. And as you can see, if I will leave that again, we have a Postman folder right there. And now we will move this Postman folder into the opt section. So I will do something like this. So sudo, because we need administration permissions, and now move Postman into the directory opt/postman, like this. I will press enter. Of course we have to type in password because of sudo, and now we will create a symbolic link to run a Postman from anywhere. So if you don't know what is a symbolic link and how to create a symbolic link, you can also watch my video. I described in the video how to create and what is a symbolic link, but I will create that right now. So sudo, we are using ln command with the option -s, and right now the first path is a path to our Postman that we moved our folder before. So Postman and Postman with a big letter, same as here. So we are doing this and this, and last thing that we need to do is the path user local bin and Postman, like this. I will press enter. It should work. And right now, if I did everything correctly, Postman should run without any problem. So I will type in Postman and I will press enter, and as you can see, it is running and it is working fine. So this is how you can install Postman on Linux. I will wait a bit for it to load. So as you can see, we can working with APIs simplified with Postman. You can log in, you can do whatever you want. Even if I will close the terminal, and if I will open it again and I will type in Postman, it is also running. So everything is working fine. And this is only this video. If you know how to install Postman, and if you found the video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.